Okay, everybody, here is what happened during my elementary school years when there were troublemakers in the school. They pulled the fire alarm. So this was the pull station they pulled. Edwards EST 270 SPO with the brake rod that shattered all over the floor in my elementary school once this handle got pulled down. Clearly, their eyes were too small to read the pull in case of fire text on the pull bar. So they pulled it because their eyes were too young. Once this thing got pulled, it sounded off these notification appliances. Yep. And then those kids were charged with a misdemeanor. Those kids were charged with a misdemeanor by the state of Virginia. And then after that, this got installed over this. So no more troublemakers pulled the alarm. Bye.